today we'll be making a fun and adorable Ruffle Easter Deco Mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 16-inch wreath ring with the stems attached. You can also attach your own stems. I will link videos in the description box down below. 10-inch Deco mesh. You can also use 6-inch mesh. An adorable sign for the center. Chanel stems, scissors or a rotary cutter, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I like to do is raise all of my stems, and then I'm going to cut my mesh into 8-inch long pieces. Sometimes I cut it in 10-inch pieces. It just depends on what you prefer, but I kind of switch back and forth. So for this specific wreath, we're going to go with 8-inch long pieces. Alright, so I have cut my mesh. I'm going to place 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle. I placed as many as 6, and 3 is usually the fewest amount I will place in each bundle. But it just depends on how thick and poofy and ruffly you want your wreath to be. So you can add a ton if you choose to do so. I'm going to layer my 3 pieces one on top of the other. If you're working with 6-inch mesh, I usually kind of overlap them halfway. Alright, and then we're just going to scrunch in the center. So I went with pink, white, pink. I scrunch it in the center. I'm going to place it on my stem and then twist it a couple of times and then tuck it away. For my next bundle, I have white, pink, and I'm going to add another white for 3 pieces. Scrunch it in the center, and I'm going to place it on my next inner stem. Twist it a couple of times and then tuck it away. If you don't want the green stems, you can take a plain wreath ring and add white or pink stems to it if you prefer that look more. But usually once we add all the mesh and flare and fluff up our mesh, it's barely visible. Once again, I'm going to go with pink, white, pink, and then I'm just going to continue alternating. If you want it to look more pink, then add more pink mesh. If you want it more white, then add more white mesh. I want a nice blend, so that's why I keep alternating between the pink and the white. And I'm just going to repeat this step all the way around my ring. And then we'll come back around and kind of flare everything out afterwards. So I'm going to just finish up around the inner ring and then repeat the exact same steps on the outer ring. Alright, so I have all of my mesh in place. I'm just going around flaring out all of my bundles, making sure they're nice and fluffy. I went with 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle. There are about 16 bundles on this wreath ring. Again, this is so cute and poofy and adorable. You could leave it just like this, but I'm just going to add an adorable sign to my center. Alright, here's our adorable sign. I'm going to just cut off the top hanger. I'm going to take 2 stems, twist them together to form one long stem for the top and one for the bottom. And then I'm going to hot glue it in place, making sure I have enough of my stem hanging off the side of my sign to easily attach it to my ring. And when I have a space in between, kind of like here, I usually prefer not to have the stem coming across that space. I will come down a little further here, so that I can hide the stem in my mesh. I'm just going to snugly place my sign in the center, but so you have a couple of options. You can place it in the down a little bit so that the ears are in the wreath, or you can place it up to where the ears are sticking off the top of the wreath. Just depends on what style you're going for. Place my sign and then push the mesh aside so that I can attach my stem to the actual wreath ring a couple of times, and then replace my mesh. And I'm going to repeat this step for all 4 stems. Okay, and then I'm just replacing my mesh, making sure I don't have any gaps or spaces, flaring and fluffing everything up one final time. Once you do that, you are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer. I did go with an adorable sign for the center. You can add any like styrofoam decor, cute little carrots or bows or anything that you'd like. Just have fun with it and make it your own.